students. Today we will discuss about the iodine test for starch. In this test we will find out that the leaves can prepare food only in the presence of sunlight or they can prepare food without sunlight also. For this experiment we require a leaf, alcohol, a beaker, test tube, burner, water, a watch glass and iodine solution. For this experiment, first we will take a plant which is in normal conditions and we will take a leaf of that plant. So the leaf will be of green color, means it has chlorophyll and the plant was in the presence of sunlight, so it means that the leaf was preparing the food for plant. Now see, in the process of photosynthesis we need carbon dioxide and water. In the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight we get carbohydrate and oxygen, means the leaves prepare carbohydrate and oxygen. This is the test for this food, that is starch. Starch is a carbohydrate, so we will test the presence of food in the leaf. We have to take a normal leaf, green colored leaf, in a test tube, and in that test tube we will add alcohol. You have to add alcohol till the whole leaf gets immersed in that alcohol, and you have to take a beaker half filled with water, and then we will keep it on a burner and we will heat it. Like this we will heat. This is the beaker and this is the test tube. The leaf is inside this test tube and alcohol is also present, and in the beaker water is present. Now we will not heat this alcohol or this test tube directly because the alcohol can catch fire. That is why we will heat it like this. After heating for some time, you will observe that the leaf will be of this color and all the green color of that leaf will be in that alcohol. The leaf will be of pale yellow color and all the green color of this leaf will be in the alcohol, means the alcohol will be of green color now. Now after that you have to take out the leaf and you have to wash it with water. After washing it with water, you have to take a watch glass and you have to keep that leaf in that watch glass. After keeping that leaf in that watch glass, you have to put iodine solution on that leaf. After putting iodine solution, then the leaf will turn into this color, blue black color or purplish color. It will turn into this color, and if it turns into this color, then it means that there was the presence of starch in that leaf, means the leaf was preparing food. Now you have to take another leaf, but that plant you have to keep it in dark for 2-3 days. After keeping that plant in dark, then you have to take the leaf. The leaf will be of green color and you have to follow the same procedure, but you will see that now the leaf will not change its color to blue black when we will put iodine solution on it. And why it will not change its color to blue black? Because the plant was not kept in sunlight and so the leaf could not prepare the food. So we conclude from this experiment that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis and for the leaf to prepare its food. So I hope this experiment is clear to you. If you have any doubts regarding this experiment, you can write it in the comment section, and we will meet in the next video. Keep working hard. Enjoy your studies. Thank you.